Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our final pack opening of 2026 Series 2 baseball. Hoping to end it on a bang, at least a numbered card, but we'll see. Hopefully, we get something out of this last pack. Let's see. Let's see what we get out of this. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we got a pirate right off the bat, Jared Trilo. Oh, look at that. We got the third baseman pull. Nationals rookie card, Harry Ford. Nice. Nice. Another rookie one. Nice. We'll take all of them. Detroit, look at that. Jahmai Jones, outfielder. Nice. Another Detroit player. Padres, Michael King. Oh, look at that. Another rookie they threw. Bryce Eldridge, first baseman for the Giants. Hell yeah, they're giving me a lot of the rookie ones out of here. Rockies, Chris Bryant, look at that. Since 15, he's been in the league, so that's a good pull. Nationals, Nason Nunez. Rockies again, Ryan Feltner. Arizona Diamondback, Adrian Del Castillo. Pulled him already, but that's not bad. Royals, we got Lucas Eric G. And then look at that, Jordan Walker. Jordan Walker from the Cardinals. Dodgers, Edwin Diaz. Oh, look at that. Wait, what is that? 0808 2026. What is that? I don't know what that one is. It says 0808/2026. I'm guessing that's a special numbered one. I don't know what that is. But that's another numbered one, Dodger. And then Kyle Riley, the 60 home runs. Look at that. Yep, Kyle Riley. Look at that, another MLB leader insert. And then Cam Schlittler,